Welcome to Coco Finance, your beacon of enlightenment in the financial world, where tomorrow's leaders and trailblazers gather for unrivaled insights. Today marks a pivotal moment in our collective journey toward financial mastery. As you navigate the complex web of financial independence, we've meticulously crafted a guide, spotlighting habits that may inadvertently anchor you in financial doldrums. This guide isn't a critique, but a mirror for introspection and growth, offering you a chance to refine your habits and align closer to your aspirations. In this spirit of growth and self-improvement, we acknowledge that today's discussion may challenge your current perspectives. Yet it's in this space of discomfort that growth takes root. Our mission is not to reprimand, but to extend a hand, guiding you towards brighter financial horizons. We've drawn from a wealth of knowledge, consulting with revered mentors and financial luminaries, to distill essential behaviors that delineate the prosperous from those less so. It's imperative to recognize the myriad paths life offers and understand that not all circumstances are within our control. However, illuminating these distinctions can equip you with a nuanced understanding, potentially catapulting you towards your financial ambitions. Now let us embark on this enlightening expedition, hoping it serves as a catalyst for profound personal and financial transformation. Excessive TV watching, the siren call of the screen is both mesmerizing and deceptive, promising escape yet delivering stagnation. In this age of information, discerning the value of content is crucial. Television, especially when consumed in excess, can eclipse precious time that could be invested in enriching pursuits. Reflect on the content that occupies your screen time. Is it a bridge to your goals or a barrier? Fast food consumption, the adage, "You are what you eat," holds profound truth, especially concerning mental clarity and physical vitality. The convenience of fast food belies its cost to health, a currency far more valuable than money. Nourishing your body with whole, nutritious foods is an investment in your greatest asset, your health. Sales shopping, the allure of a bargain, can sometimes obscure the essence of true value. Wealth isn't manifested through savings alone, but through judicious investments in quality and substance. Whether it's apparel or assets, the principle remains. Quality over quantity ensures lasting value and personal dignity. Sleeping habits. The dawn chorus heralds more than a new day. It signifies opportunity. Embracing the morning, engaging in personal development, or simply planning your day can set a momentum that propels you forward. The discipline of early rising is often a hallmark of those who lead rather than follow. Sports obsession, passion for sports is commendable, yet when spectatorship overshadows participation in one's life script, priorities may need re-evaluation. Life is not a spectator sport. Engagement and action pave the path to achievement. Channel the dedication of athletes into your personal and financial endeavors. Personal hygiene. Often overlooked, the ritual of personal grooming extends beyond aesthetics. It's a reflection of self-respect and professionalism. This fundamental practice can significantly influence first impressions and open doors to opportunities previously unseen. Shifting blame. Empowerment is rooted in accountability. The acknowledgement that your choices sculpt your reality is liberating and transformative. By owning your decisions, you reclaim the power to navigate life's waters, steering towards success. Lack of savings. Financial resilience is built on the bedrock of savings. This cushion not only softens the blows of unforeseen challenges, but also positions you to leap at opportunities. The foresight to save is a distinguishing trait of the financially astute. Misusing credit. Credit, when wielded wisely, is a potent tool for building wealth. Its misuse, however, can entrap one in a cycle of debt and regret. Leveraging credit for investments rather than indulgences can be a game-changer in wealth accumulation. Family planning. The blessings of parenthood come with significant financial and emotional responsibilities. Planning for a child involves more than love. It requires strategic preparation to provide a nurturing environment conducive to growth and development. Health checks. Proactive health management is a cornerstone of a prosperous life. Regular checkups can prevent diseases from derailing life's plans, underscoring the wisdom in preventive care over reactive measures. Spending future money. The peril of counting unhatched chickens is well documented. Anticipatory spending can ensnare one in a perpetual catch-up, far removed from financial liberation. Prudence lies in living within one's means, laying a stable foundation for future prosperity. Social circles. The company you keep can significantly influence your trajectory. Surrounding yourself with individuals who embody the success you aspire to can elevate your mindset and spur you towards greater achievements. Following through. The bridge between aspiration and reality is built with the bricks of action. Ideas, no matter how revolutionary, remain dormant without the vigor of execution. Perseverance, learning, and adaptability. As we wrap up, consider this a call to action, an invitation to introspect and recalibrate where necessary. If you recognize these habits in yourself or others, share this insight. Together, let's aspire for financial literacy and empowerment. We're eager to hear your thoughts. What habits do you think differentiate financial mindsets? And for those who've made it this far, remember, being proactive about your financial future is the first step towards turning your aspirations into reality. Declare your commitment to financial growth in the comments below. Let's hold each other accountable. Thank you for joining us at Coco Finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content, designed to guide you towards financial mastery. Here's to making informed financial choices and building a future you're proud of. See you in the next video, Coco Financiers.